A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Pathania Public School. But today, in this video, we start our Term 2 syllabus, and in Term 2 syllabus, our chapter number 1 is first chapter is Internet. What is Internet? What do you mean by the Internet? Internet, internet is a short form. The full form of internet is international network. International network. INTER stand for international and NET stands for network. So international, you can say international network. So before international network, first we learn about the network. What is network? Okay, and then we learn about the internet. So in this complete chapter, we learn about the what is internet, then history of internet, how internet works, what is the working of internet, advantages and disadvantages of internet. Then we learn about the who controls internet. Some organizations are there, so those control the internet. So we learn about these all controls of the internet. Then what is the world wide web and what are the services, then internet terminology and some internet protocol and remote login. These all we learn in this chapter. So now we start in network. So first, before the internet, we learn about the network. What is network? Network when two or more computers are connected to each other, when two or more computers are sharing their information, when two or more computers are sharing their resources, is your internet. Is your internet. So internet means, for example, you take one example here. For example, you have some computer like this, you see on the screen. We have one means two or more computers, like one computer here, second is this one, third computer, four computer, five computer, six computer, and seven. For example, seven computers in our lab or in our room or in our home, in our building. When this computer connected with this one, this is in network, this is your network. And when this network also connected with this, all these computers are connected together, is your internet. Sorry, it is your network. It is your network. For example, one network is here and another network is here. You see here, for example, this is also one network and this is also a network. These all computers are connected to each other, and one server is here and all these computers are connected to each other. And now this network connected with this network, and this network connected with this network. So when two or more computers are connected to each other, is your network. But when two or more networks are connected to each other, sharing the information, searching the information, or you can say sending the mail and messages, this is your international network. So network of networks is your internet. Network of networks is your internet in simple terms. So this network, for example, first we're talking about the more about the network. In computer network, so many topologies are there. Topology means, what is a topology? What is the topology? Topology is the geographical area in which area you connect the computer, how you connect your computer. So many topologies are there. So your first topology is star topology. Your first topology is your star topology. So how the connected with star topology? For example, this is your server. For example, this is server, and this server connected with the other computers like this one. So this computer connected with server, this also connected with server, these all are connected with server. And for example, one computer is here and this is also connected with the server. This is your star topology. But what are the disadvantages of this topology? The advantages of this topology is required more length network cable. Here we required more length of cable here. And if this server is failed, if this server is not working, then your complete network is destroyed here. Your complete networking is destroyed, your complete information is destroyed. And second topology is your uh, for example your computer like this. So this computer connected with this and this connected with this, and these all, this is your client 1, you can say C1. This is your client 2, C2, C3, C4. Labeling is very important in networking and internet. And so these all are your computers. When, learn one point here, when computer connect with the network, then computer name is workstation. Don't call computer here. This is your workstation, or you can say node, N-O-D-E, node. So you pronounce here workstation or node, don't call this computer now. So when this workstation or this client also, this is the name of client also, you can say client, you can say node, you can say workstation. So now these all computer connected between the network. So now these are node, client or workstation, you can say anything. So first client is connected with the second client, second connected with third, third connected with fourth, fourth connected with fifth, and so on. So this is your ring topology. This is your ring topology. You can see in ring way these all computers are connected. But advantages is so many advantages are there when we share information to the client 1. Client 1 send to the information to client 2, and client 2 send to the information client 3, and client 3 send to the information client 4, and client 4 send the information to client 5, and back client 5 send to the information to client 1. But for example, this client is not work properly, so our complete network is destroyed. And if we want to connect, for example we have purchased new computer and we want to connect in the network, so we add here for example, so it disturb our network connection. But this is very beneficial for this. If you take the new computer, you connect here, connect here, you connect anywhere. So star topology is easy if you are want to connect the other computer, other client, but this topology is not uh, working for this purpose. Okay, so your next topology is your bus topology. The name of the topology is your bus topology. In bus topology, you see this is your cable, this is your bus cable. So this is your cable, and the name of this cable is your bus like. So your data will be traveler in bus like. So for example, your one client is here, second is here, third you can place here, and after that you place your fourth client and fifth client, and you can say one server, and one printer is also connected here, so you make here printer also. So this is your printer, and these all are your client 1, client 2, client 3, client 4, client 5, and so on. So your data will be traveler from here, and your data will be passed first to the client 1, and then again your data will be traveler. If client 2 is want the data from the client 1, then you can transfer the data to client 2, and same in client 3, same 4 and 5. So this is your network, and these type of your computer will be placed and connected to each other. And one more topology here is your mesh topology. In mesh topology, for example, your one computer is here, and then you connect two computer to the first one, and then you connect three computers here, and after that, for example, you want here also, then you connect the other network here. So these type of network, and after that you want to take a connection between these two all. So this is your mesh topology. So this is the geographical area how your computer will be placed in your computer lab, in your building, or in anywhere, and how these all are connected and working together. So this is your network and network topology. Okay, and now we are come to the next part. This is your types of network. Types of network, don't be confused beta. Types of network and topology both are the different thing. Types means your area, in which area you are connected. For example, you connect your a computer with in 10 kilometer, you want to connect your computers with 50 kilometer, you want to connect your computers worldwidely. So these all are your types. But in a particular building or in a particular room, and how your computer will be placed, how you design your computer will be connect to one to another, this is your topology. So your types are your LAN, MAN. LAN stands for, everyone know about this. We have already learned these all in your class 8th also, and in class 9th also. So these are your LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, CAN. So many types of networking are there. Your LAN stands for local area network, and MAN stands for metropolitan area network, and WAN stands for wide area network. And the range of the LAN is your 10 kilometer, and the range of your MAN is maximum is your 50 kilometer, and this is also called your CT network. This is called your CT network, and this LAN is called your building network or school network, or you can say your home network. And your WAN no range, so this is your wide area network. And when your, for example, these are your countries. For example, this is your India, this is your Pakistan, and this is your you can say different countries are there. So you can write down country 1, country 2, country 3, and country 4. When country 1 networking connected to the country 2, and country 2 networking is connected to the country 3, and country 3 networks connected to the country 4, and again country 4 network connected to the country 1. And here in country 1 your LAN, MAN, WAN all are there. Here also your LAN all is there, MAN is there, and your WAN is there. So when these all networks are connected to each other, this is called your internet. This is your internet. So internet is your international network, and you can say network of network. So network of networks is your internet. So internet is one of the global network of numerous computer and computer network which connect. Now I hope everyone clear about the network, what is computer network. So so many computers when connected to each other, and computer network which connect billions of computer to exchange. What is the purpose of internet? To exchange information, to searching of the information, to sending the email. These all are the purpose of your internet. These all are the uses of your internet. It provides many useful facilities like emailing, chatting, video conferencing, online shopping, e-learning, blogging. These all we cover in the chapter number 2. These emailing, chatting, video conferencing, online shopping, these all internet services are there, and we discuss and we learn these all services in chapter number 2. So it is a network of computer connected worldwide to share information. So what is the use of internet? To sharing the information, to sharing the resources. So it is considered as one of the biggest invention. It is useful in various fields such as communication. So many areas are there where you use the internet. For example, in education, in entertainment, in school, in communication, in research. So many areas and are there. So you can see here, this is your client 1, client 2, client 3, client 4. When all clients and all networks connected worldwidely, so this is your internet. So in simple way you can say, uh, when two or more computers are connected to each other is your computer network. And network of computer networks is your internet. So thank you so much for watching this video beta. In next video we meet with the history of internet.